This week, OpenAI was at it again, blowing everyone's mind with the most insane AI text-to-video model called Sora. And if you haven't seen it, it's absolutely mind-blowing. And they just released the entire research paper on this as well. And the research paper has a ton of demos as well as technical explanation of how this model actually works. Now, Sora can generate up to 60 minutes of super realistic videos and a handful of other features that I'm about to show you right now. All right, guys, let's jump right in. So take a look here on your screen. This first example is showing you different aspect ratios. So these 3 videos of turtles swimming, they were generated in 3 different aspect ratios. This next one is an example of what it looks like when you generate a video from image prompts. So you have a still image of this Shiba here, and then here's how it looks once it's animated. Pretty cool, right? Another example here is these little monsters illustration, and then here you have it animated. I mean, the possibilities here are just endless. And then here you have a still image of a realistic cloud that spells Sora. And then here is the animated image of the same cloud that just poofs into existence. Check this one out. They render the wave image. This is inside of a museum. And now look at this. Wow. The wave crashing inside the museum, and look at the surfer actually riding the wave. This is cool. You can also extend videos and make them longer. Here's a video that was extended to create this infinite loop of a biker. It's crazy because you can't tell where it starts, where it ends. So it's just looping over and over and over. You can also do video to video editing. Here's an input of a video. It's a red Porsche driving, say, in the mountains. You can see it here changing the setting. The setting here now is a lush jungle. Then it changes the setting again to this 1920s car. But notice how it keeps the color of the car while changing the setting. This is interesting. Then it makes it go underwater. Now the car is driving underwater. Then it changes the setting again to this mountain scene. It looks like maybe the Joshua tree. And now we have a rainbow scene. So what it's doing, it keeps changing the setting, changing the scene. It's changing the type of the car, but the car always stays red. I absolutely love this. This is really cool. Another feature here is connecting videos. So check this out. You can connect 2 videos very seamlessly and smoothly and transition from one to another. Watch this video. You see a drone flying around the Colosseum. Then you see the drone seamlessly transitioning into a butterfly. Then the next thing you see, the butterfly is swimming underwater. It's just these transitions are so seamless and so smooth. Wow, this is very cool. Another example, here you have a chameleon seamlessly transitioning into a bird. Guys, these aren't real, but it looks so realistic. It's just mind-blowing to me. I love this. Here's another area where I think Sora is going to blow people's mind. Take a look at this artificial game simulation right here. If you didn't know, if you were just browsing on social media, you would never know. You would think this is someone recording themselves playing Minecraft. But no, guys, this was generated with Sora. So yes, this model is also capable of simulating artificial processes in video games. This is absolutely disruptive. But you know what? It's not just disruptive for gaming industry. This could be disruptive for the film industry, for production, education, virtual reality, marketing, advertising. I mean, the list goes on and on. But something that we really need to acknowledge here too, though, is with this technology, there comes huge safety and ethical issues and concerns. And that's why OpenAI came out and said they're not going to release Sora to the public anytime soon because they need more research and feedback from the AI community, which I'm so glad they're doing that. Because imagine if anyone was able to create super realistic videos of any kind especially now as we're going through a presidential election and a ton of global conflicts. This is actually scary. So needless to say, OpenAI does have a huge responsibility here, and that's why they're saying their goal is a very safe and gradual rollout. To keep up with Sora and other OpenAI updates, like and follow for more.